I am originally a scriptwriter by trade, working in the film and television industry. And for a long time, I would say probably the first 3 or 4 years of the YouTube channel, my advice was based off of script writing and novel writing principles and concepts. And a lot of the early stuff is very structured because that comes from script writing, it comes from novel writing, and there's rules and there's formula and things that you kind of plug in. And it was only a few years ago that I realized actually it's not the right approach to have a predefined ending, to have predefined moments that you have to somehow get your players to hit. That's actually insane and is not the real joy of role playing. And it removes the GM from being a player of the role playing game to being a supplier of entertainment and narrative content. And that seemed insane to me. So we've shifted a lot over the last couple of years to go, there's no such thing as a plot. You as the GM are not responsible for the plot. You are responsible for the plan of an NPC. That's as far as your responsibility goes. So if the NPC has a plan to take over the world and they're going to do it using X, all you are responsible for doing is fulfilling their plan as they go along. And if that means that the players miss it, or if that means the players bungle it earlier or later or whenever, that's part of your joy, is discovering how the whole thing kind of comes to conclusion. So started off rigidly, kind of going, this is the structure, this is how we do it. Now I'm going, oh, no. All of that structure, that gives us guidance on what we could be doing next or what we possibly should be doing. It gives us the opportunity to reflect back on what we have done so far, and also to understand that, oh, actually, we kind of never had a middle part to this adventure. So that's why it doesn't feel like it's a complete story. So it's more of an analytical tool rather than a rigid implementation.